In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Wi-Fi drivers on MacBook. So let's get started. Now on MacBook, you normally do not manually install Wi-Fi drivers like on Windows. macOS already includes the Wi-Fi drivers built in. So if Wi-Fi isn't working, it's usually a software, system, or hardware issue. So let's get started on how we can fix this. Method 1 is to renew Wi-Fi settings. So for this, you have to go to System Settings, then go to Network, Wi-Fi, click on Details, and then you're gonna head over to, on the left corner, TCP/IP. Now I'm not opening the menu because my IP address is there and I don't want to leak it. So once you go here, TCP/IP, just click on Renew DHCP lease and then click on OK and apply and close it. Now that's the first way. If it still doesn't work, just stick around and we're gonna go over more solutions. Now the second way is to reset Wi-Fi configuration files, and this is very effective. Now how this works is you first have to close your Wi-Fi, go to Finder, and then here you're gonna click on Command Shift and G, and you're gonna type in the following command right here: /library/preferences/system configuration, and then slash. Just go ahead and click on enter, and then something like this is gonna open. Now here you have to delete some files. So these are the 5 files that you have to go ahead and delete. For example, com.apple.airport, this file is right here, so I can just go ahead and delete this. Then there's also other files, so just go ahead and find them here and go ahead and delete them. Then you have to restart your Mac and then turn Wi-Fi back on and reconnect, and most of the time this fixes the issue. Now the last method is updating Mac OS. So just go to System Settings and go to search up System Update, or go to General and click on Software Update, and here you have to go ahead and update it to the latest version, and this is how usually the drivers are updated. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.